And we are off to number 1 on percent of a number, and it asks us to find 5% of 300 by writing the percent as a fraction. So percent can also be written as a fraction, and they're asking you to do that. So let's take 5%, and 5% as a fraction is 5 over 100. And we want to take 5% of 300, is 300, and you need to find out what it is. Well, 5 over 100 is very small. So if I was to estimate this on a line, I'd have 50, and this would be 100%, and this would be 0. It would be close to 0. So we're going to say it's closer to 0, but not 0. So let's go through this and let's start our problem. 5 over 100 is a fraction, so we want to make everything a fraction. So, poof, there, 300 is a fraction, magic 1. So now we can, you can either multiply across here, circling tells you something's going, so 5 times 300 is 1,500, and 100 times 1 is 100, and then we can simplify that, and you can get 15 is the answer. So it's close to 0. It's closer to 0 than 50, so that's a reasonable answer. You can also cross-simplify this if you see this. 5 over 100 times 300 over 1, and I can cross-simplify this. I can take a factor of 100 out of this one and a factor of 100 out of this one, 3, and I get 5 times 3 is 15. Either one, you have to simplify, and it does answer it. What is 5% of 300? Well, it is 15. Thank you.